Hello, and welcome to English Lane. In today's special video, we will explore the life and journey of Justin Trudeau, Canada's 23rd Prime Minister. This is not just a story about politics. It is a story about family, dreams, challenges, leadership, and the lessons we can learn from his life. As you listen, you will improve your English listening skills, sharpen your pronunciation, and learn advanced vocabulary in real-life contexts. So relax, listen closely, and let's begin the journey of Justin Trudeau. Section 1. Childhood and Family Background. Justin Pierre James Trudeau was born on December 25, 1971, Christmas Day, in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. His birth instantly made headlines. Why? Because his father, Pierre Elliott Trudeau, was the Prime Minister of Canada at that very moment. Justin became the first child in Canadian history to be born to a sitting Prime Minister. Justin's father, Pierre Trudeau, was one of the most influential leaders in Canadian history, known for his charisma, intellect, and political reforms. His mother, Margaret Trudeau, was young, vibrant, and passionate about social issues. She later became a well-known author and mental health advocate. Growing up in 24 Sussex Drive, the official residence of the Prime Minister, Justin's life was far from ordinary. World leaders, politicians, and famous personalities often visited his home, yet his parents tried to give him a normal childhood, filled with school, sports, and play.
However, not everything was perfect. His parents' marriage faced difficulties, and in 1977, when Justin was just 6 years old, they separated. This was a public and highly talked about event in Canadian media. The experience gave Justin an early understanding of personal challenges and the importance of resilience.
Section 2. Education and Early Experiences. Justin attended Rockcliffe Park Public School in Ottawa during his early years. After his father left office in 1984, the family moved to Montreal, Quebec. There, Justin attended Collège Jean de Brébeuf, a prestigious French-language high school, the same school his father had attended. Justin was an intelligent and curious student. He loved literature, history, and drama. He also had a strong interest in public speaking, something that would later become one of his greatest political strengths. After high school, Justin enrolled at McGill University in Montreal, where he earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in literature in 1994. He believed that literature helped him understand human emotions, relationships, and different perspectives, skills essential for leadership. Wanting to make a real impact in people's lives, Justin then studied education at the University of British Columbia. He trained to become a teacher and later taught French, mathematics, and drama at West Point Grey Academy and Sir Winston Churchill Secondary School in Vancouver.
But Justin was not just a teacher. He worked in various jobs: as a snowboard instructor in Whistler, as a nightclub bouncer, as a whitewater rafting guide. These diverse experiences helped him connect with Canadians from all walks of life. Section 3. Personal Tragedy and the Call to Public Service. In November 1998, tragedy struck. Justin's youngest brother, Michel Trudeau, died in an avalanche in British Columbia at the age of 23. This was a devastating loss for the Trudeau family. Rather than withdrawing from the world, Justin channeled his grief into action. He became an advocate for avalanche safety and outdoor education, speaking to communities across Canada about the importance of preparation and awareness in outdoor activities. 2 years later, in 2000, Justin's father, Pierre Trudeau, passed away. Justin delivered an emotional and powerful eulogy at the state funeral. Millions of Canadians watched the speech on television and were moved by his words. This moment made many wonder if Justin might one day follow in his father's footsteps.
Section 4. Entering Politics. For several years, Justin stayed away from politics, focusing on community work, teaching, and charity events. But in 2007, he decided to run for a seat in the House of Commons as the Liberal candidate for the Papineau riding in Montreal. In the 2008 federal election, Justin won his seat, defeating a well-known Bloc Québécois candidate. As a member of parliament, he focused on issues like youth empowerment, environmental protection, and affordable housing. Section 5. Becoming leader of the Liberal Party. By 2013, the Liberal Party was struggling, having suffered a major defeat in the 2011 election. Party members were looking for a fresh face, someone who could inspire Canadians again. Justin Trudeau announced his candidacy for party leader, promising optimism, transparency, and a new way of doing politics. He won the leadership race in April 2013 with overwhelming support. As leader, he traveled across Canada, meeting ordinary citizens in coffee shops, schools, and community centers. His message was simple: better is always possible.
Section 6. Prime Minister of Canada, 2015 to present. 2015 election victory. Justin led the Liberals from third place in Parliament to a majority government, a stunning political comeback. His campaign focused on diversity, openness, and helping the middle class. Key achievements, 2015 to 2019. Legalized recreational cannabis in Canada. Created a gender-balanced cabinet, equal numbers of men and women. Increased Syrian refugee resettlement. Introduced the Canada Child Benefit to help families. Challenges: approval of controversial pipelines, ethics investigations involving conflicts of interest. 2019 election, the Liberals won again but were reduced to a minority government. 2021 election, another minority win, reflecting both support and growing criticism.
Section 7. International Influence. Justin has been active on the world stage, promoting climate action, human rights, and gender equality. He has met leaders such as Barack Obama, Emmanuel Macron, and Jacinda Ardern. Section 8. Personal Life and Legacy. Justin married Sophie Gregoire in 2005, and they have 3 children. In 2023, the couple announced the separation but remain committed to co-parenting. Justin's legacy is still being written, but he is known for his charisma, communication skills, and progressive vision for Canada. And that is the life and journey of Justin Trudeau, a man born into the political spotlight who carved his own path to leadership. From teacher to prime minister, his story is one of resilience, empathy, and the belief that politics can be a force for good. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to English Lane for more real-life stories that help you learn English naturally. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.